Hey everyone! Are you still stuck on physics word problem? Today we are going to show you how to turn confusing sentences into a perfect form. We're mastering horizontal motion using UAM treasure map method. Let's dive in.
Before we touch a calculator, we must find our clues.
Always list your variable first.
If you are ever confused on what a number represents, just look at the unit.
So let's watch this video. Now, let's apply what we have learned to a real-world scenario. Look at this problem. A boy pushed a table with an initial velocity of 12 meters per second, and it stopped after 5 seconds. What is the distance? Step 1. We must identify the givens first. We perform a givens check. This is where we pull the data from the word problem. First, VI, or initial velocity. The problem mentions that she started at 12 meters per second. Next is VF, or final velocity. The keyword here is stop. In physics, stop always means 0 meters per second. Next is T, or time. The duration of the push was mentioned in the given was 5 seconds. And lastly, D, or distance. This is our unknown variable, and this is what we are looking for.
Step 2. Choosing the right formula. After we identify the formula that we will use for this problem, let's move on to next step. For the next step, the calculation. We plug in our values. Substitute the given to a formula. D equals 0 ms plus 12 ms over 2 times 5. The first thing we do is to add 0 and 12. Since it's 0, it will remain as 12. Then, simplify the fraction. 12 divided by 2 give us 6. Then, we will multiply 6 times 5. 6 times 5 equals to 30. Therefore, the total distance the table traveled before coming to stop is 30 ms. Notice that our answer is positive because distance is a measure of how far the object moved regardless of direction.
Now, let's look at the more complex scenario. A student kicks a ball towards a classmate with an acceleration of 20 meters per second squared. We need to find the two things: the final velocity after 5 seconds and the ball position or distance at the same time. For part A, finding final velocity first. Let's find how fast the ball is moving after 5 seconds. Our givens, since the ball starts from the student foot, the initial velocity 0 meters per second. The acceleration is 20 meters per second squared. And the time is 5 seconds. For formula, we use the formula for velocity, which is the VF equals VI plus AT. The calculation is VF equals 0 meters per second plus 20 meters per second squared times 5 seconds. This gives us final velocity of 100 meters per second.
Now, for part B, we are going to find the position or the distance. We calculate first how far the ball has traveled. For the formula, we use the displacement formula, wherein D is equals to VIT plus 1/2 AT squared. Now, for the setup, since VI is 0, the first part of the formula wherein VIT becomes 0, we are left now with 1/2 AT squared. Let's put it in an easier way wherein we have to put the 1/2 into a decimal point and it turns to 0.5. 0.5, we multiply it into 20 and that becomes 10. Multiply it into 25 and our distance becomes 250 meters.
Following those steps, identifying units and listing givens and picking the right tools, you can solve any horizontal motion problems. You can solve 100 accuracy. Physics is just a story in math.